I'm going to go over these 2-pack of floor lamps. This actually not just any floor lamp. This is a LED light changing smart floor lamp, and it has an app. And looking over the side of it, you know, changing colors, you know, 16 million colors, sync with music, app control, adjustable brightness, various light effects. And the back of it here, it only uses 12 watts of power. That is very low power consumption. It has a voice and app and touch. You know what? Enough talking. Let's open this thing up and see what all we get. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you right away. Very cool looking remote. Look at this Fruit Loops colored remote. That's the most colorful remote I've ever seen right there. Put that aside. So you got 2 DC outlets right here. But here's the lights themselves. Wow, what an innovative way of packing a floor lamp. I've actually never seen that. It looks like you're just gonna put these things together. Yeah, make sure you peel these off. You're just gonna snap them together right there. That's a pretty weighted stand. That feels solid. That's a solid feeling stand, everybody. Looks like a little set of instructions. You know what? Let me go over these instructions, get the app, get everything set up, and then I'll come back and I'll show you one of these in action. Okay, I just got them all set up here. So here's the lights. I went ahead and dimmed a couple of lights in here because I'm going to give you a light show here in a minute. I downloaded the app, so I have the app ready. I've got the remote ready, and all you had to do was take these little small screws and screw them right into the back right here. So these 4 pieces stuck together, and you just screw them down, and then you just plug them into an outlet, and you are good to go. Let me go ahead. Let's turn the lights out. Let's get them. First thing I'm going to do, I'll use the remote. Let's turn one of those off. Let's check it out, everybody. I highly recommend these. These look amazing, and you can look at what it does inside my little shed area here. There's all the basic colors on there, and now we can go to, let me go to some of the modes. There's a dimmer on it. Check it out. I can go dim. Now let's go all the way back up. Bam. When they flash like that, you're all the way up. Mode. I'm not going to go through every mode. This video will be 45 minutes long. You know what? Enough of the remote right here. I'm going to go through the app some. So you'll go ahead. There's an Android and Apple app. Check out the difference. Here's what it means by different colors. Look at that. I can turn them off, turn them on, all by the app. Rotate it around. Look at all of the colors. Let's go style. This is what I really liked. Check out the different types of water settings. I'm just going to go through some of them. The flow, tail. Now each one of these has 16 to 17 different types of setups on there. The running. See how you can adjust the speed. But what's this feature? So there's a music feature on here. Now I can't play music for copyright reasons. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mute the music and I'm just going to play it. So let's do Horizon, but I'm going to mute the music. That's awesome that you can actually add music. Now check this out, microphone. So this is a mic test. I'm testing the microphone out. Woo! All right, going back to the normal. Let's just go back to normal blue setting. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with these things at all. They're very high quality, super easy, very low power consumption with an app control and with a remote. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the multicolor floor lamps. See you all in the next video.